Welcome, today I am with DJI Osmo Pocket and I will show you how we can enable camera timer. So when we are in the standard mode, in this case we are in the photo mode, we have to swipe to the left from the right edge of the screen and then swipe another time. As you can see right here we get shutter countdown and we can choose between 3, 5 or 7 seconds. Let's choose for example 3 seconds, click one more time to confirm and right now click on the shutter to take photo. As you can see right now we got 3 seconds delay and after this time the photo was taken. If you want to change it, just follow the same steps and you can turn it off or just go for example for 7 seconds or 5. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.